How to add text. To begin, I added a video to my timeline and I would like to add a text on top of it. First, position the playhead to where you want the text to appear. Then in the toolbar, select the Type tool and click anywhere in the frame and type your text. Now select the Selection tool and change the length of the text in timeline to your desire. Now with your text selected, go to Effect Controls panel and expand the text. Here you can see a lot of options you can change. You can change the font to the font you like. You can change the size of text. Click on this button to bold or italic the text. Make sure the fill is checked, then click on the color next to it, and choose the color you want. Make sure stroke is checked and click on the color next to it, and choose stroke color you want. You can drag your text anywhere you want. Increase the stroke width to a value you want. To add a background to the text, check the checkbox, then click on the color box to change the background color. Increase the margin of the background to your liking. Also, you can add shadow to text. Go down in properties a little bit. To change the position of the text, play around with these two values next to position. At last, you can change the opacity of the text by dragging the opacity value to left or right. Anyway guys, thanks for watching and I hope you found this useful.